Hello guys, welcome back to my own channel, my YouTube channel, and welcome back to my video of this, me, Francis, from the Hoover, that you've been moting. So today we're gonna do the comparison, my dc07 versus my Dyson mobile allergy vacuum cleaner. So hi guys, so this is I've got two Dyson, got two right over there, and we're gonna have a look at both of the Dysons to see which one performs so strong. Okay. So this has got the bigger head. So first, I'm going to use this one. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to, as you guys can see, it's got these square plugs and a round plug. I'm going to be fitting the tongue. Okay. Right. Okay. So first, let me show you the vacuum cleaner. So let's show you. And these two are both lightweight. And so first, I'm gonna start with the ball one. Now for my dc07 allergy. Wow. It did a good job. So first, I'm going to show my ball one upright that I have today. Okay, then we're going to take a tool. Then we're going to see how this works well. Yeah, it's not the best vacuum ever, but it isn't doing a good job. It is taking too long a time, so now time for my dc07 allergy to see how this one works. That one is the winner. No. Now I'm going to use both. I've got two hands. Okay. I have two hands for the Dyson. Just going to use, so I'm going to use both. So, okay, so two vacuums together. Then we're ready to start. Okay, so this is a bigger vacuum. So this one's bigger than that. So, get me to start this vacuum. Whoa. It's so bigger than that one. So this is the bigger vacuum, this is the little vacuum. And it's lighter. Okay. So this is the bigger cleaner. This has long mains lead. Okay. And this is the smaller lead cleaner, and this has got a short mains lead. Yeah. So this has got a cord sticking out. So I bought both of these. I bought both of my vacuum cleaners that are really lightweight. So I bought this one in 2015. It was 7 years ago. And then in 2 years ago, 2020, I bought this. So this one was a second-hand one. And this is a brand new one that I bought because it's the 2019 model of the new vacuum cleaner. So there used to be a DC50 which is not working anymore. So James used to order the new DC50. James used to order a new DC50, which it for 10 quid. For 10 quid. And yet he unboxed it and fit it together, but the parts were broken, so it had to refurbish it once to look really new, and then but they had to refurbish to look really new, so it could look brand new. And then it has to be sent to Argos, and it's been sent to Argos. That James sent it, the Dyson vacuum cleaner. But it is brand new to me. But it was inside the box, and I opened it and put it together. And it's a really good vacuum, guys. but it's got the new brush, the new tool that James wanted it. So, but this is the 2019 version, and this is the replacement for the DC50, the blue one. So it's the blue DC50, which wasn't the best. Yeah, but it was horrible. It's a horrible vacuum cleaner when the DC50 was made in the UK. So that's a new replacement vacuum that I bought it since 2020 when I bought this machine, and 7 years ago I bought that machine. So it's but that one's a second-hand one, and that one's a new one. So, but they both are good vacuum cleaners, mostly very popular. So, to make it look working again, you just turn it on. So it's got a brush bar. Okay, so this is a really good vacuum, but let's see. So we take, oh, don't come in. So let's turn it on to see how it works. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look. Okay. And let's take this thing out and have a look to see how the suction does. so it's turning quick. But I don't want someone to go in my room. Okay. So okay. This has got an on-off switch. So when you unplug it, you don't seem to turn it on. And then, so this is the all new machine. This is the replacement for the dc07, which is the, so you have to, so you'll have to wind this cord to make it sure it's in correct position. And there's the cable, really long cable. It's about 10 meters. And but if you just pop this in, it's going to start. And then you just pop this. Dun, 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 dun. Because this is a really big Dyson. Yes. Okay. Make sure this is and then you can just secure the clip to make it click in. And then, but this cord is so long, but it's got 94 meters also. So we've got the long extension cord that is, but that's an older vacuum, but that is getting really old. So they used to be okay, so you just close it and you just close the cable again, and then you just secure it in, and then it's done. How does it look? Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please hit the like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye bye.